Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 6, International Cuisine Ingredients.
Hello, Maria. I'm attempting to cook a dish from India, but I'm not sure where to find the ingredients.
Hi, Carlos. No worries. Most international ingredients are in the ethnic foods aisle. What do you need?
I need garam masala, basmati rice, and lentils.
You'll find the garam masala with the spices, and the rice and lentils are usually in the rice and grain section.
Thanks, Maria. I appreciate the help. Do you enjoy trying recipes from different countries?
Absolutely! It's a great way to experience different cultures through food.
Dialogue 7, Special Occasion Shopping.
Hi, David. I'm preparing for a special dinner tonight. Any recommendations for a nice bottle of wine?
Hi, Sophie. For a special occasion, I'd suggest a red wine. How about a Cabernet Sauvignon or a Merlot?
Sounds perfect. And what about appetizers? Any crowd pleasers?
You can't go wrong with a cheese platter, some brie, cheddar, and grapes. It pairs well with red wine.
Excellent! I'll grab those. Thanks for the suggestions, David.
Dialogue 8, Organic Options.
Hi, Tom. I'm trying to make healthier choices and thinking of going organic. Any recommendations?
Hey, Natalie. That's a great choice. You can start with organic fruits and vegetables. They're usually in the organic section.
What about other products? Are there organic options for things like pasta and snacks?
Yes, many supermarkets have an organic aisle where you can find everything from pasta to snacks. It's worth exploring.
Dialogue 9, Family Meal Planning.
Hi, Steve. I'm doing my weekly grocery shopping. Any family-friendly meal ideas?
Hi, Laura. How about a simple spaghetti night? You can get pasta, tomato sauce, and some ground beef or turkey.
That's a good idea. I was also thinking about trying a new slow cooker recipe. Do you have any favorites?
The pulled pork recipe in the slow cooker is a hit with my family. You just need a pork shoulder, barbecue sauce, and some spices.
Dialogue 10, Budget-Friendly Shopping.
Hi, Karen. I'm on a tight budget this month and trying to find affordable options. Any tips?
Hi, Jason. I totally get it. Consider buying store brand products. They're often cheaper and of similar quality.
That makes sense. Any specific store brand items you recommend?
The store brand pasta, canned goods, and frozen vegetables are usually good options. And don't forget to check for discounts and sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.